你忙吗？
很忙，
汉语难吗？
不太难。
忙 means busy.
忙
Hanyu, that means Chinese language. There are 56 different ethnicities in China, with differences in culture, traditions, and language. The biggest group or ethnicity is called Han, or the Han Chinese, and their language is the official language. It's the Han language, or Hanyu. Yu means language.
汉语
Nan, that is difficult.
难
你忙吗？
很忙，
汉语难吗？
不太难。
你学英语吗？
不，学汉语。
去北京吗？
对，
Xue means to learn or to study.
学
Yingyu, that is the English language. Ying is short for Yingguo, England. So Yingyu, that is the England language, or English.
英语
Chu means to go. If you say a destination after chu, then it means to go to, including to. For example, to go to Beijing. That would be 去北京.
去
你学英语吗？
不，学汉语。
去北京吗？
对，你去邮局寄信吗？
不去去银行取钱
明天见。
明天见
邮局, that is post office. Yo means post, and chu, that is an office.
邮局
Qi means to send.
寄
Xian, that is a letter or a message.
信
Yinhang means bank.
银行
Chu means to withdraw.
取
And 明天, that is tomorrow.
明天
So 明天见 means tomorrow see, or as we say, see you tomorrow.
你去邮局寄信吗？
不去去银行取钱
明天见。
明天见